Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is a price analysis update on Zilliqa. We've not touched it for around a week now and we've had a breakout of this falling wedge. So we'll have a look at a few things. Things are starting to hot up. We have now the Ethereum bridge which is in place, and also Gzil is coming to an end mint. So it's a bullish period coming up for me. So we need to have a look at some targets where we could look to take profit or even look to accumulate. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and let's crack on. As ever, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. You'll find a link for it in the description of this video. It's a great platform if you're looking to enhance your trading knowledge and get one step ahead of the game in terms of newsquakes and vortex scores. So go ahead and check that out. Right, Zilliqa daily time frame. This is the US dollar pair, and I do use the Huobi chart. I mean, it's been listed on Huobi a long time. We've got data spanning back a long way, so it's probably the best chart to use, in my opinion. We've had that breakout of this falling wedge here, which I put up on my Twitter probably, I don't know, maybe around here, back on 23rd of September. And I was waiting for that breakout. Bitcoin has pumped and ultimately it's brought everything else up with it, which is great to see. But like I say, things are starting to look good now. We had that Ethereum bridge, which unfortunately didn't go as planned in the beginning due to Polygon, and shit happens, doesn't it? I mean, it is here now and it's saving people a lot of money. And one more bullish thing, Gzil is around 2 days left of minting. So if you are staking, just keep staking for the next couple of days and earn that Gzil. And I mean, not just for Gzil, but staking in general, it's currently around 12 to 15% usually on Zilliqa staking. So that again is a great way of passive income. But once there's no more Gzil to be minted, ultimately that's going to significantly boost that price with that ecosystem as well. That will ultimately make Zilliqa grow as well. So all in all, some bullish things are happening now for Zilliqa. I think a few people have been a little bit impatient, haven't they, over the course of the last, I don't know, maybe the last 6 months. I mean, people have seen these layer 1 rises like Avalanche and Solana. Ethereum has won. They've been making some great gains, but I mean, you might think Zilliqa's not made some great gains. I know we've been malingering around here within this range bound area, but we have been up to here. We have been up to 25 cents. So do not forget that when this project gets going, it will really start going. And we've got a massive following. It's huge over in Singapore and in Asia. And Amit Kumar did say that he signed a big deal with an American company, so that's coming ahead. Again, another piece of bullish news. So all in all, I'm bullish on this asset, and we have broken out now. What I want to look at though, I'm just going to put my bearish cap on for a couple of minutes. And remember, Bitcoin has a broke out and it's broke that structure, but there's always a possibility it could come back down and retest some key levels. And if the Bitcoin did do that, it would bring altcoins down with it. So let's have a look at this in terms of Fibonacci. So from the bottom there, once we did hit that lower support of that falling wedge, all the way up to the top. I don't want to sound too bearish here, but there's always possibilities that we could come down and either test this 382 level or test this 618 level. Now it'd be nasty if we come back down and retest this 8.5 cent again. But it's not a million miles away. I mean, if you look at that in terms of a price range from, say from current price, we'll take it from the top there. So that's a 17% drop to the 618, and it's also a 10% drop to that 382 level. In my opinion, that is some areas where I think you should place some orders if you're looking to get into Zilliqa. So that's from 9.2 cent all the way down to 8.5. And it's a good potential area where you could use to accumulate. So if you've already sold, if you managed to sell at 10 cent and you're looking for a re-entry, I think around this area could be a decent area, because look at that, it's a strong level of support down here. Use it support, resistance, support. So it is a strong area. So that for me, just putting a bearish cap on there. That is the areas where I would look to load up. But that's that. In terms of areas we need to look at targeting to take profit, just go back to the daily time frame. Couple of key levels. So the first major level I've got is here. So if you just look at this in terms of a horizontal array, so we'll put it on there. So that was that rejection there at 11.6 cent. It was a rejection here, a rejection on that wick there too, And look at that, rejections all the way through and it's close to support. So that is a fundamentally key area. So that's 11.6 cents. So if you're looking to take profit off the table in order to accumulate or just take some cash and go and enjoy yourself, look there, skim some profit off at 11.6 cents, because I think personally that is an area where we will reject and come back down, maybe test 10 cent again and then push up, and then we'll head towards this region here at 13.2 cent, and that'll be the next profit taking area. So that's that. I'm not going to go any further in advance of those price areas. I think things are looking good for Zilliqa. I won't do a price prediction this video, but on the next video in a few days, once we do break either 11.6 cent or we've gone 5 or 6 days in front, I'll do some more analysis, and on that video I'll identify some areas where I'm looking to take profit. But here's a bit of a teaser. It's not going to be below $1. That's a times 10 from this region where I've mentioned. So I'm bullish on this asset. I think things are all starting to look good. A few things are starting to fall in place, and I think we will start to get that rise that everybody's been craving. So that's the dollar pair cover. Just take a look at a BTC pair. Not the best. The BTC pairs haven't been doing too well. We have had a nice bounce on this region here, but that Fibonacci is pretty much obsolete. It didn't really stand to that test of time. Looking if you want to buy though, I still think, like I've mentioned this on my videos, Bitcoin will regain some market dominance at some stage. If it does, the Satoshi pairs will feel the pain. And if you're looking for some buys on Zilliqa, I'd look at this area of support down here at 171 Satoshis. That is the area I would look to place some orders. I'm not going to look at any take profit regions. I mean, we've got some monthly level of resistance here at 239 sats, so it could also be a nice area to take profit if we do pump up there before we get a rejection down to a bottom. That's going to do it though for today. That's a price analysis of Zilliqa and some of my thoughts. Like I say, things are starting to heat up a little bit in my opinion. October, notoriously and historically, is a bullish month for crypto, and I think it's going to be a bullish month for Zilliqa too. Just want to finish off with a thing. I've got a new section which is for extra content. If you've been a subscriber to me for a while, I've got another option here. It's not mandatory. It's if you want to join me, you can join me. It's a new place I'll be posting certain things. So this be just basically support towards my channel. Messages, you can direct message me, ask me anything. I can review your portfolio, I can do chart requests, anything you want. You can do it, mate. It is a paid option. It's completely up to you. I'm not going to force it on anybody. If you're looking at posts here, things you can see, I've got sections for price analysis requests, ask me anything. I'll be posting charts in here. I've got 2 articles. It's good for education, really. I will be doing live Zooms too. This is a full article on what DeFi is, masternodes, and I will be adding to its content as time goes on. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just some price analysis on Zilliqa there. Things are starting to look good for me in the crypto markets, and hopefully we can see some great gains soon. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.